Ruth Lewis-Jones and I am the founder of ChooseREAL Campaign, which is a global movement encouraging girls and women to stand together and embrace and celebrate their real identity and value and live the life that they choose, instead of dictated by the media, their past, unrealistic expectations, who they think they should be, but just being who they really are. Together, we are creating a shift in our culture of true acceptance of ourselves and of each other. We are transforming the way that girls and women see themselves and each other as whole, complete, not lacking, worthy, and more than enough, just as they are.